Hi, I'm Christina Bergstrom with the Animal Law Firm, where we are fighting for the underdog. Today I would like to talk to you about pet custody. I see a lot of videos on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram about pet custody disputes. And let me tell you what, it makes up half of my practice. So the vast majority of cases that I get are pet custody cases. And whether you are fighting over your horse, your dog, your sheep, your pig, your cow, your cat, with your ex, or even former roommates. Sometimes we get former roommates or formerly, well, not former family members, but your family, I guess. But, family members who were formerly close, maybe is the best way to say it. So anyway, pet custody is a big thing, and a lot of people are really shocked when it comes out of nowhere at them and they suddenly find themselves in court over a dog that they paid for, or a dog that they raised, or a cat that they adopted. And all of a sudden your ex is like, no, screw you, I'm keeping the dog, I'm keeping the cat. Or they'll like play these mind games where they're like, oh yeah, we're gonna work it out. And then they lock the doors, kick you out of the house, and change the locks, and you can't get back in, and then they're in there with the dog. Or they just straight up move out one day. I have a lot of cases like that where people are like, oh yeah, we're gonna work it out. And then one person goes to work, and then the next thing they know when they come home is the whole house is empty, and the formerly shared pet is out of the house as well. So I had one guy one time, actually, he showed up at my client's work. He got possession of the dogs. They broke up. They'd been broken up for a while. And she had both dogs, and he showed up at her work because he knew where she worked, and he whistled while the dogs were outside, because she would take the dogs outside during her lunch break. He whistled, and they ran to him and jumped in his car, and then he just pieced out and drove off. And we ended up in court fighting that out. So yeah, if you have a pet custody situation, you are not alone. First of all, it is very, very common. People do it all the time. I mean, pets are family, right? Pets are like our kids nowadays. My dog is definitely like my kid. I support her like a preteen going through puberty. I tell you what, that girl has a lot of emotional issues, but I love her and I would do anything for her, just as you would do anything for your pet. So if you have a pet custody dispute, or you're breaking up and you're not really sure how stable your ex is all of a sudden, and you're starting to question whether or not he or she is telling you the truth about things, give us a call. We can help you. If you're served with papers, definitely give us a call. We can help you. We're more than happy to kind of give you our best insights as to situations that we've seen that are similar. Trust me, we've seen a lot of stuff. So yeah, and we're more than happy to help you resolve the issue as best as we can. We've had a very successful run with pet custody disputes. So we practice in 3 different states. So if you're in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, or Colorado, for sure, give us a call. We can definitely help you. If you're outside of those states, we would love to connect you with someone we know that works in a different state. There aren't too many animal law practitioners out there, but we do have connections with the states that have them. So give us a call. We're happy to refer you to someone else who can help you. And yeah, sorry to say, get it all in writing. When you adopt a pet, if you're listening to this and you're just like, what? How is this possible? I just got into a relationship. We just adopted a dog. How much do I have to worry about it? I would say more often than not, you should worry about it. Get a contract in writing. Get a pup prenup. That's what I call them. We've got one on my website, on our template store. So if you need something to work with, it's good in any state. It's not state specific. So you can download it, fill in the blanks. We have instructional videos that are coming. So if there's not an instructional video yet, give us a week or two and there should be a few up, depending on when you watch this. And so thanks very much for tuning in, my underdogs. Stay safe and take care of yourselves.